Welcome to Bali Bird Park's new experience. We are committed to providing a safe environment for you and your family. Starting with our staff, we make sure every employee follows our COVID-19 management protocol. We are also redefining our cleaning and safety standards. We are sanitizing the park with increased frequency, ensuring all surfaces are thoroughly cleaned with hospital-grade disinfectants. From the minute you arrive at Bali Bird Park, get your hands sanitized at our cleaning station. Temperature checks are taken upon arrival. Entry to the park is through a disinfectant shield. Flow markers are used to ensure social distancing maintained. Credit card and online payment is preferred, as cash purchase might increase touch points. We are doing everything possible to ensure you have a safe and healthy moment with us. All of our many fun attractions implement social distancing. Hand sanitizing stations are installed throughout the park. Tables and chairs are sanitized after use and follow social distancing norms. We will welcome you with full excitement and looking forward to seeing you back.